I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Cali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Cali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Now here search and select Mailify. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for account ID and API key, please visit Mailify API token. Click on your profile from top right corner. Click on Setting. Then click Developers. Then click Add an API key. Here, give a meaningful name as you want. Copy account number and key and paste it on authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Select List. Now map the fields. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailify. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Now let's go to the Mailify. Here is the data that came into Mailify through the integration. Thanks for watching.